FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm finally gonna make Mimi from the Bollywood famous song Param Sundari, which has just recently been released and it is going very viral and it's currently trending. So I decided to make this for you guys, and I also posted on my community and you guys guessed it. So let's get started. So over here, as you can see, this is my handmade doll. You can watch the tutorial on my channel and in the description box below that how I made this doll base. Now let's start dressing her up. So for that, I've taken this beautiful red fabric, but guys, my camera is showing it a little bit orangish color, but it's completely red and a maroonish hint. So what I'll do is that I'll take my glitter over here. It's a basically fabric glitter, and I'll just start making this kind of design which Mimi has on her dress. It's very beautiful but very easy, so you just have to have patience and make it, because obviously you can't find any kind of fabric which relates to that design, so you just have to DIY it yourself. So just do it, and you can just use golden multicolor or silver colored fabric glitter and then just make this design on top of the fabric. Then over here I've taken my black marker and I'll just make these two lines because she has a hint of black also in her dress. Alright, so once that is done, as you can see, this is the kind of fabric design I get now after it gets dried. Let's make some more design over here. So I'll just take my multicolored fabric glitter and I'll just merge it over here on the fabric just to give that glittery effect. Once I'm done with that, as you can see, this is the kind of fabric I get now. Now I'll just take these two ends and stick them together. Once I'm done doing that, I'll take my needle and thread and I'll start sewing it from this end. And I'll just make a ruffle out of it so that it can give me a long skirt effect which she can wear easily. Then I'll just put it on the doll. And then I'll just pull this thread so that it gets tightened from the waist. Then I'll just tie a knot over here. Once that is done, this is ready. Now I'll take another piece of same colored fabric and I'll just stick it over here for the border. Once I'm done doing that, I'll put my multicolored glitter on that as well. Now over here I've taken again the same colored fabric and I'll just cut these parts just to make the blouse. So guys, again I'm telling, it's a red maroonish colored fabric, but my camera is showing it in an orange shade, so don't worry about that. Then I'll take these two as the sleeves and I'll stick them first on the doll. Once I'm done doing that, I'll stick the blouse as well. Okay, now to make it more interesting and stylish, I'll just take my threads and I'll just tie it over here on the back just to give that design. Now this is also a very tiny latkan which is basically stuck over the back side of the blouse, so I'll just make those as well with a hint of very tiny white pearl beads. Then I'll also use glitter on the blouse and make the design which Mimi has on her blouse. So I'm just recreating everything and then I'll just apply some glitter over here. Once it's dried, it will look something like this. Now over here I've taken this glitter foam sheet and it's in silver color. As you can see, I've already made these jewelries over here. I'll just cut them out. Then I'll paint it with a little bit of black fabric paint and I'll just give some dots over here. So these are the jewelries, these are the bangles, the earrings and the beautiful anklets. Then I'll just take my black fabric paint and I'll just give some highlights onto the blouse sleeves. Once I'm done doing that, I'll make her wear these bangles on each of the sides of the hands. Then these are the anklets. Then these are the earrings. And now over here, this is the nose ring. It's a silver sequence. Once this is done, this is how my Mimi looks right now. Something is missing, right? Yes, it's the hairs. So now let's start making my Mimi's hairs. So for that, I'll just take this, as usual, this cardboard and then this brown wool and just tie it, and then I'll just take it out, cut it from one end. Yeah. So once I'm cutting it, now I'll take my comb. It's a very tiny comb. I'll just comb out the hairs and then put another piece of wool in the middle just to give that middle parting, and then I'll just put it on the head. Once I'm done doing that, let's give her a beautiful hair trim. Then I'll just highlight the hairs. So this wool will give you a beautiful slightly curl effect which she has on her hair, and that too highlighted. So guys, this is it. This is the final video of my Mimi. I really hope you guys liked it. I tried my best to recreate it on my handmade doll, and turns out it looks beautiful. So guys, if you liked it, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.